panatuntunan ng kapulungan.
Meron po minumungkayan po ng mayorya. Meron po ba
Personal and
tumututol sapagkat
collective
wala?
privilege, Your Honor.
Councilor Yan Ibay is recognized.
During the last session po, I just found out right now that you guys reorganized and amended the said committees po and removed the Committee on Youth Welfare and Sports Development. I just like to ask why po. First and foremost, I consider myself capable enough to hold such committee. So I just like to ask why there is a need to remove the Committee on Youth Welfare and Sports Development. Your Honor, kayo na po nagsabi na pag nasa iyo ang batas, sa akin po yung committee na yon. So I just like to ask why.
Majority Floor Leader.
Your Honor, we reverted back to the status of the internal rules prior to the assumption of office of Councilor Yan Ibay. It is the discretion of the majority, and a precedent was already set before we assumed office, before we all assumed office last elections, Your Honor.
Councilor Yan Ibay.
But besides that, why is there a need to reorganize?
Your
Because
Honor,
that's under
Majority Floor
Republic Act 11768. So
Your Honor, I don't think the majority, we don't need to justify our discretion in amending the internal rules. If there's a question as to the procedure or legality or alleged infirmity, it may be questioned in the proper forum, but not in this session hall, Your Honor. So it was decided by the majority that we will revert back to the standing committees as was listed prior to our assumption of office last election, Your Honor. Your Honor, inuulit ko po ang aking mungkahi na ipagpaliban na ibalik ang alituntunin o panatuntunan ng ating kapulungan.
Meron po minumungkayan po ng mayorya. Meron po bang tumututol sapagkat wala pinagtitibay?
Minumungkahi ko po na tapusin na po ang sesyon sa araw na ito.
Meron pong mungkaya po ng mayorya. Meron po bang tumututol sapagkat wala pinagtitibay?